Toyota didn't just reveal a new GR car, they revealed a warning shot. This is the most powerful road car Toyota has ever built, and the numbers are insane. And that's the GR-GT. 650 plus horsepower, 850 Newton meters torque, twin turbo, hybrid, rear wheel drive. It's a completely new flagship, a front mid-engine, hybrid boosted monster. And we know a hybrid assisted twin turbo 4-liter V8 is going to have some mind-blowing crazy output. This car borrows more from Toyota's Le Mans program than any previous road car. Sits in a bloodline with the 2000 GT and the LFA. Two cars Toyota built not for profit, but for identity. The GR-GT is the next statement. And the secret behind its handling? An all-new chassis. Stronger, stiffer, and engineered to handle hybrid torque loads. This isn't a modified super platform. It's something entirely new. The engine isn't over the front wheels like a normal coupe. It's shoved deep into the firewall. The transmission sits further back. That means one thing, a near-perfect weight distribution. Those exaggerated side inlets, they're not styling, they're feeding the turbos and cooling the hybrid system. The long nose, chopped tail, and Le Mans-inspired diffuser all point to one priority, high-speed stability and downforce. Look at the numbers and it's obvious who Toyota is hunting. The 911 Turbo, the Corvette Z06, the Nissan GT-R. Cars with pedigree, history, and $150,000 price tags. The GR-GT isn't trying to fit in, it's trying to disrupt. And that's not it. Toyota has come up with 3 versions on the same platform. The GR-GT, a road car. The GR-GT3, a track-focused race version, stripped, light, and built for competition. And the LFA, a Lexus, still a prototype on the same platform, which is going to be fully electric. The GR-GT isn't just a car, it's Toyota proving they still know how to build something bold, something loud, something legendary. Drop your thoughts below, and if you love cars that break the rules, you're in the right place. Subscribe for more.